लंदन के हीथ्रो एयरपोर्ट पहुंच गए हैं। इस समय बाहर का तापमान 29 डिग्री सेल्सियस है।
Open up the minibar till I can tell how drunk you are. I don't really care about the pain. You would help me pass the night and I would say that I'm alright. Should've known that people say the same. Yeah. Why you so high? Going so low. Nobody knows where the wild ones go. Why you so high? Going so low. Nobody knows where the wild ones go.
So let me just give you guys a tour of this service apartment. Here's the mirror right at the entrance. They have got this really beautiful wooden flooring, and here's the bathroom.
Ain't nobody knows. Ain't nobody knows.
So this is the bedroom. Here's this mirror and this beautiful drawer. Just look at how adorable this bedroom is. So here's this view of outside. Now let's move on to this room right here. This is like a storage room which has got drying rack, a washer, and the basic mop and all the things. Now let's move on to this room. So this is the kitchen. I am so much in love with this kitchen. Look how beautiful and elegant it is. Starting from this drawer, it has all the cutleries and stuff. Basic serving spoon. It has all the pans and pots, detergent, and all the dishwasher tabs and stuff. So talking about dishwasher, here's the dishwasher. So this area has got the toaster and kettle. Next to that is this chimney with the stove, which is the knife set and the chopping board. And here's the oven. So this is the normal fridge. So right next to the balcony is this sofa area. So we have got the luggage there, and there's this mirror and a lampshade, and here's another sofa. And this is a kitchen like you guys have already seen, and this is dining area. So I'm just giving an overall view of the room.
Open up the minibar till I can tell how drunk you are. I don't really care about the pain. You would help me pass the night and I would say that I'm alright. Should've.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. We are drinking tap water, and how is it? For us, it's
tastes
quite
different.
It tastes different? Okay. We don't have any other choice.
Cheers.
Good morning guys. So it's day 1 here, and I'm so jet lagged. I woke up at around 7 o'clock in the morning, and I don't feel sleepy at all. I feel so energized. And yesterday night we slept like baby, because obviously the whole long flight, it was so tiring. And I'm excited for today because I have to go grocery shopping, and also I need to edit a video and put up a video of me moving out. And also I have to cook. I have to start cooking a lot because here everything works like that. So I am excited about that. So let's just see how the day goes.
Go where they go, go where they go. Where they go, go where they go, go where they go. Where they go.
So there's a situation going on. This bag has all my necessities, right from groceries to, you know, all the basic cosmetics and makeup items and everything. And the lock got jammed and it doesn't even break. I tried breaking it with a hammer. I don't know how this lock got jammed. I have to get help from somebody, and I hope somebody just comes in and helps me out. finally got ready and the suitcase is still not opening. The lock is still jammed, and I went downstairs to look for people, like the people who are taking care of this apartment, to help me out, but there were none. So I still don't have any kind of cosmetics, toiletries with me. So whatever the apartment had, all the little toiletries, I used that and washed my hair and my face with the shower gel. It's getting late and I have to prepare lunch. So yes, let's just go for the first grocery shopping in London.
Ain't nobody knows. Ain't nobody knows. Ain't nobody.
They have basin and also there is chapati atta. You know, saying Bengali and Hindi just makes me happy. So this is what I bought from the grocery store. So here's potatoes, here's mixed veggie. It has got broccoli and carrot, some onions and garlic puree. Also there is Italian chopped tomatoes, macaroni, and here's pumpkin seeds and wholemeal bread for the breakfast. Here's chapati flour, and this is a sandwich, just the ready to eat in case if we cannot cook the meal. Here's yogurt and dates, pure ghee, butter, and also vegetable oil, carrots, Nutella on the go, and this just the small pack of milk, the rice, and few masalas like garam masala, chili powder, and turmeric powder. And in fruits I got bananas, strawberries, and some blueberries. So the grocery that I got is just for the next 2 or 3 days, because in just a week or after a week we are going to move out, because we are going to go house hunting and then, you know, finalize a house which is going to be you know, the rented apartment. So till then we are going to stay here, which is a service apartment. This is not the permanent apartment which I am going to stay in. So I just got just the basic groceries for the survival.
Ain't nobody knows.
Hey guys, so it's 8:30 at night and still it's not dark yet. We are enjoying a walk right now, and yeah, I'm just ending this vlog right here. If you guys like this vlog and want more such vlogs in future, then do comment and let me know. And yeah, do subscribe to my channel for more future vlogs. Thanks for watching.
Like the video.
Yeah, like the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Open up the minibar till I can tell how drunk you are. I don't really care about the pain. You would help me pass the night and I would say that I'm alright. Should've known that people say the same. Yeah. Why you so high?